Hi there, it's Tanya from Tatty Treasures, and welcome and hello and welcome aboard to any new subscribers. So today I'm doing unveiling for Amanda. Amanda contacted me from Your Creative Studio and asked me if I would like to do an unboxing of one of her monthly kits, and I jumped at the chance because I have looked at the kits a couple of times, and every time I've looked they're always out of stock, and I think you probably do have to purchase one a couple of months before it comes out to be able to get one. So yeah, I jumped at the chance of having one because I always do myself watch the unrevealing of them. So how exciting. So this month's theme is music. So got this little card with music and then the definition of, so obviously that can be used, and then it was wrapped in this luscious paper which is divine. I'm thinking of making some envelopes out of it, so nothing will go to waste, and it's jammed pack of stuff, and there's a bit of this and a bit of that, and you know, everything you need for a project. It's fabulous. So we'll just put the little things to one side for a minute and we shall have a look. I couldn't not have a quick look. I haven't opened anything and had a proper look. I just had a quick flick through. So these say materials of notes. So let's have a look what's in them. So it's a pad. Oh right, and it's got, I don't know if you can see it. Wow, there's absolutely stacks of pages in it, and it's all like music paper but shrunk down. There's a Christmassy one, and it looks like there's probably 3, 4, 5 maybe, 6 of each type. So yeah, they'll be brilliant to put into collage and stuff. You could even back them on some card and just make them into simple journal cards. So I think we've gone all the way through that. So that is the first thing. Nice size. What size is it? So it's like a really nice journal card size. So they're 5.5 by 4. So yeah, really nice size. And these are some, yeah, just stickers, but the actually vellum, well, the see-through stickers. So plenty of numbers and musical notes. So that's really fun. Love the musical notes. So that's them. And we've got another package. Let's look at, oh, are these stickers? I think this is stickers too. Yeah, so the vellum stickers, so I'm guessing you can just cut round because they're not individually cordoned off, so it looks as if you just cut round them yourself. So lots of vintage images. Oh, look at those cases. I love that. The old telephone. Oh, these will go nice with Tim Holtz things. Oh, bookcase. Yeah, these remind me of Shabby Dabby Doodah. And so I think they'd go lovely with haircuts. Oh, I used to have a bag like that. Those wicker cases. I used to do them in small ones. And I used to take one to school. They was quite trendy in the 80s. But I know they're used as picnic baskets as well. These are all different. Lots of variation. Oh, gramophone. Love the watch ones. Plenty of different telephones and watches and cameras. Oh, tape. Oh dear, many a time I've sat, you know, unravelling a tape up, and it was always your favourite tape. I have to show my daughter that, because she's never seen a tape, my youngest daughter. Yeah, these are fab. Oh, look at this one. This is a full sheet, and then they're really nice. So yeah, lots of stuff in there. Fabulous. And then some sticky notes. What unusual sticky notes. Oh, so you would write at the back of them. They're really cool. Old light bulb. I want a nice light bulb. We've got a shade in the bedroom that's just like a wire shade. It's in black, and we've just got a normal light bulb, and I keep thinking I ought to have one of those vintage looking light bulbs. Yeah, they're really cool. So that's that. And then some stamps. I don't know how you get in it. I don't know. Feeling that you do something. I wonder if you rip it. No, is it at the side? Anyway, moving on. So we've got the musical notes there. And we've got the keys. Can't quite see it. I think these are just squiggles. Let me just put it close to my face. Oh, that's a man. Oh, they're men. They're men playing musical instruments. Oh, they're really unusual. And very arty. And then just some musical notes. They look like really nice stamps, if I can ever get into the packet. So, yeah, some stamps. Then, are these papers? It feels like these could be stickers also. I think these are stickers as well. Oh, so that's fabulous. You could cut just parts out. I like that idea. And they're already collaged. Wow, it's really nice having a whole collection of things all in the same theme, because you know, when you're doing a different theme, it's a lot of looking about you know, for different things. So I'm always looking for things 6 months in front, because it can take. I love how this is tied up. That's fab. So yeah, to collect all your, you know, some fabric and ribbons and papers and all the rest of it, it can take some looking around. Oh, look at these. These aren't stickers, these are paper, and the paper's lovely. It's got a really nice feel to it, and it's got like as if it's been ripped out of a book. These look really realistic. Oh, and I think these are Christmassy, a lot of Christmassy ones as well. Silent Night, composition number 5. We Three Kings are Oriental. Nearly burst into song then. Oh, I love that, the Christmas tree. Yeah, these are lovely. Just one last dance. And they're all different colours. Oh, my heart will go on. Bit of Celine Dion. Oh, that's cool. Silent Night. Joy to the World. And a Christmas song of the Children of Bethlehem. Yeah, they're really cool. Nice size, look like A5. It's probably a little bit bigger than A5. I love the case. It's like a real book. So put that over here. Now, what's this? Let's have a look in here. Lovely colour, like a plum colour. And they look like tickets. I think these are stickers, yeah. Yeah, and they peel off really easy. So these look a bit wine. Yeah, a bit wine orientated. So music and wine. Yeah, they're a beautiful colour. Really nice. So they'd fit in with, you know, with everything. So fab. Then we've got some little packages. Believe how much stuff you do get. I wouldn't say they've definitely covered all bases. Oh, it's a little book. Oh, that's fab. Oh, and the paper's lovely. It's like paper bag paper. Do they just, oh, and they just rip out. Ah, fab, for collage that you've already got, just a piece. I love that. They make stamps as well. Love the cover. Oh, I'm going to keep that on my desk. Yeah, that's mega cute. I love it. And there's loads of pages in it. Fabulous. Oh, that's really tickled me, that has. Then some thin washi tape. I don't know if it's a scroll or if it's musical notes, and I don't think I can find. Aha, is that it? Let's have a look. So it's like a scroll kind of thing. Is it? It might even be little butterflies on there or little bows. So that's very nice. It will go with anything. And then let's have a look at this one. This is another plum colour. Oh, I think this is like tape measure. Oh, I like this. So, oh, this feels like good tape. Yeah, it's got a really good stick. Oh, I love it. That's going to come in handy for loads of different things. I'm going to say again, that'll go with the Tim Holtz. Yeah, fab. And then this little thing, I don't know if it's a little charm. Let me just put that paper to one side. Yeah, it's a charm. And it's a knife. And it's actually sharp. Wow. Can you see that? That's amazing. Oh, what can I use that for? Oh, I love it. It reminds me of a pirate. Oh, that's really cool. I'm going to have to think of something to use that for. I wonder if it like me tear paper with it. Could I open my mail with it? I will try things and let you know. Oh, that's fabulous. So I've really enjoyed having a look through that. I will leave the links and stuff in the description, and I will have a think about what project I can do. Maybe this I will definitely keep for doing Tim Holtz things. There was something else I was thinking of Tim Holtz things, but yeah, I'll come back and do something musical themed, which will be a challenge for me because it's not my usual genre. So I will have a thing, and I think that's what's so good about these kinds of kits, that it's something that you wouldn't try, and you've got everything you need to make a project. So yeah, it's gonna push me out my comfort zone. So yeah, exciting. So thank you very much for joining me. I shall speak to you soon. Bye for now.